Scan directly into SOLIDWORKS with Geomagic. With your scanner connected, start SOLIDWORKS. Select the Scan button in the Geomagic toolset, and you can easily scan directly into your CAD environment. Geomagic for SOLIDWORKS supports direct scanning from a range of 3D scanner vendors, including Faro, Hexagon, Creaform, Artec, Nikon, and 3D Systems Capture Scanner. Using these tools, the scan point clouds are created directly inside SOLIDWORKS, creating the shape that will form the basis of your solid or surfaced CAD model. When you have thoroughly scanned your part, save it as a SOLIDWORKS file and you are ready to use the next set of tools in Geomagic to create your CAD data. Save your finished scan and go to next steps. It's that easy. SOLIDWORKS with Geomagic.